Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark test between the Realme X2 Pro with the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor versus the Realme X7 Pro device with a Dimensity 1000 Plus processor and the OnePlus 8T device with the Snapdragon 865 processor. So these are the two generations Snapdragon 855 Plus and the Snapdragon 865 processor. So this is a flagship mobile from the previous year, and right now 865 is kind of close to flagship because right now we did release 865 Plus as well. So that's why 865 here, and Dimensity 1000 Plus processor. So which is another recently launched Dimensity 1000 Plus in few of the mobile phones, like even in the Vivo as well. There are a couple of phones which has got same kind of processors. So let's see friends, in this video, where does this Dimensity 1000 Plus antutu benchmark will be staying between this Snapdragon 855 Plus versus the Snapdragon 865 processor. And in case if you want to know more details about this Realme X7 Pro device, so try to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro smartphone, and you can find very good interesting videos over there in the playlist. Links will be available in the description below. So let's compare the antutu benchmark test between all of the smartphones, and let me try to open quickly the antutu benchmark application directly. So as you can see, the applications has been open. So let me try to quickly zoom in so you can focus only on the screen scores right now. As you can see friends, the score of this Realme X2 Pro is about 4,20,000. So 4,20,000 to sometimes I can see 4,30,000 also in this phone. So 4,20,000 and 5,38,000, and the Snapdragon 865 processor is of 5,74,000. So you can clearly see the difference how much it is. So from this processor 855 Plus to the Dimensity 1000, it is kind of close to 1 lakh difference, and from this processor to this Snapdragon 865, there's a difference of close to 30 to 40,000. So this is a quick idea about about this kind of processors, because nowadays if the Realme they launch this phone in India, then you should know whether this phone is kind of close powerful to the 865 processor or not. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of comparison, so which will be helping you a lot in terms of clearing the doubts as well. And CPU performance, you can compare all the three phones side by side. If you see the scores of the CPU, so 1,20,000, 1,66,000 and 1,80,000. So I can clearly see the difference here in the CPU, but in the GPU you can see 1,73,000, 2 lakhs and 2,20,000. So there is only less difference in the GPU, but in CPU there is a huge difference if you quickly observe here. So don't worry friends, I'll try to do so many tests on this Dimensity 1000 Plus processor in comparing with other smartphones. So right now next video will be on the charging speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro 65 watts versus the OnePlus 8T with the 65 watts charger. So right now it's 1%. So the next video will be on this one comparison only. Charging speed test comparison. So wait for that video in case if you want to know more details about the charging speed test as well. And that's it friends, it's a quick idea about the comparison, and thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.